Imagine flying over the vast Atlantic Ocean. The blue expanse stretches endlessly. Then, suddenly, emerald green jewels appear. These are the Azores, a cluster of 9 volcanic islands. They are a Portuguese archipelago, a secret paradise waiting to be discovered. The Azores are a land of dramatic beauty. Lush green hills roll down to meet the azure waters. Volcanic craters form shimmering lakes. Waterfalls cascade down cliffs, creating a symphony of nature. The air is clean and fresh, scented with the fragrance of wildflowers. These islands are a haven for nature lovers. Whales and dolphins frolic offshore. Rare birds find sanctuary in the lush forests. The volcanic soil nurtures an abundance of flora, painting the landscape in vibrant hues. The Azores offer a rare opportunity to connect with the raw power and beauty of nature. If you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path destination, the Azores are calling. These islands offer a unique blend of adventure, tranquility, and cultural charm. Whether you seek relaxation or exploration, the Azores promise an unforgettable journey. Each of the 9 islands in the Azores has its own distinct personality. São Miguel, the largest island, is known for its volcanic landscapes and twin crater lakes. Santa Maria, the oldest island, boasts reddish-hued cliffs and golden beaches. Terera, steeped in history, charms with its UNESCO-listed capital, Angora. Faial, the blue island, is a haven for sailors with its vibrant marina and volcanic caldera. Pico is dominated by Mount Pico, Portugal's highest peak, offering breathtaking views. São Jorge, the dragon island, is known for its dramatic cliffs, fajas, and delicious cheese. Graciosa, the white island, enchants with its whitewashed houses and volcanic caves. Flores, the flower island, lives up to its name with its abundance of colorful blooms and cascading waterfalls. Corvo, the smallest island, is a secluded paradise perfect for birdwatching and experiencing a slower pace of life. With so much diversity, choosing which island to visit can be difficult. But no matter which island you choose, the Azores are sure to captivate your heart with their natural beauty and warm hospitality. São Miguel, the largest island in the Azores, is often the first stop for visitors. It's easy to see why. Nicknamed the Green Island, São Miguel is a tapestry of vibrant landscapes. Rolling hills blanketed in emerald pastures meet dramatic volcanic craters filled with shimmering lakes. One of the most iconic sights on São Miguel is the Lagoa das Sete Cidades. These twin crater lakes, one blue and one green, are a sight to behold. Legend has it that the lakes were formed from the tears of a princess and a shepherd who were forbidden to be together. Another must-see on São Miguel is the Furnace Valley. Here, volcanic activity bubbles to the surface, creating hot springs and steaming fumaroles. You can even try a traditional cozido, a stew cooked underground using the heat of the earth. Beyond its natural wonders, São Miguel also offers charming towns and villages to explore. Ponta Delgada, the capital, has a lively harbor, historic architecture, and delicious seafood restaurants. Santa Maria, the oldest island in the Azores, welcomes visitors with open arms and warm sunshine. Known as the Sun-Kissed Isle, Santa Maria boasts a unique landscape characterized by reddish-hued cliffs, golden beaches, and rolling vineyards. Unlike the other islands, known for their lush greenery, Santa Maria offers a taste of the Mediterranean. The island's southern coast is home to Praia Formosa, a stunning beach with reddish sand and crystal-clear turquoise waters. History buffs will enjoy exploring Vila do Porto, the island's charming capital. Founded in the 15th century, Vila do Porto is home to historic churches, cobblestone streets, and whitewashed houses with colorful trim. For a taste of local life, visit a traditional pottery workshop or sample the island's unique wines, made from grapes grown in volcanic soil. Terera History and Heritage. Terera, the third island to be discovered in the Azores archipelago, is an island steeped in history and culture. Its UNESCO-listed capital, Angra do Heroísmo, is a captivating blend of Renaissance architecture, colorful houses, and cobblestone streets. Angra do Heroísmo played a pivotal role in maritime history as a vital port for ships sailing between Europe and the Americas. Today, you can wander through its well-preserved streets, admiring the ornate balconies, wrought iron gates, and historic churches. Beyond its capital, Terera offers a variety of natural attractions. Visit the Algar do Carvão, a unique volcanic cave with a subterranean lake, or hike through the lush forests of Serra da Cum, enjoying panoramic views of the island. Experience the vibrant culture of Terera during the island's many festivals, where you can witness traditional bullfights, lively street parades, and colorful costumes. The Blue Island, Fail, known as the Blue Island, is a haven for sailors and adventure seekers. The island's iconic marina, Horta, is a colorful tapestry of yachts from around the world, their hulls adorned with vibrant murals. Horta's marina is more than just a stopping point for sailors. It's a living museum of maritime history and a testament to the adventurous spirit of those who cross the Atlantic. Legend has it that sailors who dock in Horta leave behind a painted mural on the harbor walls for good luck. Faial's volcanic landscape is equally captivating. Visit the caldera, a massive volcanic crater formed by an eruption centuries ago, and hike along its rim, enjoying breathtaking views of the island and the ocean beyond. For an unforgettable underwater adventure, explore the waters surrounding Faial. The island is a renowned diving destination, home to diverse marine life, including manta rays, dolphins, and even whales. Pico Mountain Majesty. Pico, named after its towering volcano, Mount Pico, is an island defined by its dramatic landscapes and adventurous spirit. Mount Pico, the highest peak in Portugal, dominates the island's skyline, offering breathtaking views for those who dare to climb to its summit. But Pico is more than just a mountain. The island's volcanic soil nurtures unique vineyards, producing wines with a distinct mineral flavor. Visit a local winery and sample these unique wines while admiring the vineyards that stretch down towards the ocean. Explore the Gruto do Natal, a lava tube formed by flowing lava, or hike along the island's dramatic coast, where rugged cliffs plunge into the Atlantic. Keep an eye out for whales and dolphins, which are frequently spotted offshore. Pico's unique landscape and cultural heritage have earned it a designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its universal value and importance. São Jorge Cliffs and Lagoons. São Jorge, known as the Dragon Island for its elongated shape and dramatic cliffs, is a paradise for hikers and nature lovers. The island's coastline is a tapestry of towering cliffs, secluded coves, and fajas, fertile plains formed by lava flows. Hike along the island's network of trails, enjoying breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean crashing against the cliffs below. Explore the fajas, each with its own unique microclimate and ecosystem, where you'll find traditional villages and fertile farmland. São Jorge is also renowned for its delicious cheese. Visit a local cheese factory and sample the island's specialty, Queijo São Jorge, a sharp, tangy cheese aged for months in caves. For a unique perspective of the island's dramatic coastline, take a boat trip along the coast, marveling at the towering cliffs, hidden caves, and the abundant bird life that calls this island home. Graciosa, the White Island. Graciosa, the smallest of the central Azores Islands, enchants visitors with its tranquility and charm. Nicknamed the White Island for its whitewashed houses and historic windmills, Graciosa offers a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Explore the island's charming capital, Santa Cruz de Graciosa, with its cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and traditional architecture. Visit the Forna do Enxofre, a unique volcanic cave with a subterranean lake and a sulfur dome. Relax on the island's pristine beaches, swim in the crystal-clear waters, or hike through the lush countryside, enjoying panoramic views of the surrounding islands. Graciosa is a perfect destination for those seeking a slower pace of life and an authentic Azorean experience. Don't forget to sample the island's culinary delights, including fresh seafood, traditional pastries, and locally produced honey. Flores, the Flower Island. Flores, the westernmost island in the Azores archipelago, lives up to its name, the Flower Island. The island is a tapestry of vibrant colors, with hydrangeas, azaleas, and other wildflowers blanketing the hillsides in a riot of hues. Waterfalls cascade down verdant cliffs, creating a symphony of sound and sight. Hike to the Rocha dos Bordos, a unique geological formation of basalt columns resembling organ pipes, or visit the Poco da Ribeira do Ferreiro, a series of cascading waterfalls surrounded by lush vegetation. Flores is also home to Lagoa Negra and Lagoa Comprida, two stunning crater lakes nestled amidst lush green hills. Explore the lakes by boat or hike along their rims, enjoying breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. For an unforgettable experience, take a boat trip to the nearby islet of Monchique, the westernmost point in Europe, and enjoy the feeling of being at the edge of the world. Corvo, a world away. Corvo, the smallest and most isolated island in the Azores, is a true hidden gem. Home to just over 400 inhabitants, Corvo offers a glimpse into a world untouched by time. The island is dominated by a massive volcanic crater, Terera, which now houses a serene lake and a picturesque village. Hike to the rim of the crater for breathtaking panoramic views of the island and the vast Atlantic Ocean stretching out before you. Corvo is a paradise for birdwatchers, with numerous species of seabirds nesting on its cliffs. Look for Corey's shearwaters and the elusive Montero's storm petrel, found only in the Azores. Experience the tranquility of island life, where time seems to move at a slower pace. Chat with the friendly locals, savor fresh seafood at the local restaurant, and enjoy the peace and quiet of this remote paradise. Corvo is a truly special place, offering a glimpse into a world untouched by the hustle and bustle of modern life. Don't forget to subscribe to Globe Gallopers for the latest travel tips, hidden gems, and adventure guides. Don't miss out on your next great escape. Join us today.